Trying to figure out how to open these is kind of tricky. But I think I have the right side. Amazing that this is how it comes all the way from China. I guess we are. And there it is. Aged, weathered, Les Paul 10S. Looks pretty good. We'll have to go over it with a fine-tooth comb, but it's supposed to be looking old. And, you know, somebody had it one color and they wanted to paint it gold. Looks pretty good, though. I don't really see any marks. And we'll check it out. We'll give it the total bench test next. There you have it. Okay, we're going to look inside the control pot. I have an Alpha pot, B500. Made in Korea. On these other ones, I'm not sure what these are, but these, that says Alpha. So those are 3 different brands. That's an Alpha. I know you didn't really focus. So we have like a quick plug connect here. The first issue I had was the output jack. This was in here and binding that the cord wouldn't even like push in because it was hitting along the side wall in here, side cavity. And this was really bent out and more straight. So I bent it a little back and put a little more of an arc on it so it actually sits better on the plug when it's plugged in, and it locks in. Before it was just really this was way up here, this little bump here. So it was way at the tip and it just didn't feel secure. And it'll probably go in okay back the way it was. Though it feels like it's hitting in the holes like they're a little off, but I can rotate it and it's better. So we're going to try rotating it. We put it all back together. It does have the weird like coating on it. I don't know what that is, but feels like there's, I don't know. Even the strings feel like there's all kinds of crud on them. So they must spray it down with something. I don't know what they do, but it still has the plastic on here. We'll do a pickup reading real quick. So in the neck position, we have 852. Volume down goes to 39.1. I'm not sure what that is, but maybe that's typical. Middle position, both volumes up. And then bridge or lead position, 13.743. So the bridge is kind of hot. So I was telling you before, I felt like there was dirt or something on it, but it appears to be like sawdust or something. I don't know, but it's a weird little coating. So I'll probably put new strings on it and try and clean it up, but could be the paint's still sticky for all I know, because that's what it feels like, sticky paint. So here it's very sticky, not there. So we'll see. Let it sit for a day or two. But so far it's looking good. Neck feels good. Not any fret issues so far that I've noticed or that I had with the first one. So let it sit for a day or two and then we'll come back and see what the neck looks like and if we can adjust it. Alright, so we're going to do a couple little sound samples. I'm using Angle Thunder. A couple quick notes about this guitar. I have another one that I purchased a while ago that I did a review on. It probably wasn't the best review because it had a lot of issues. I'm still battling it, but it's getting better. But this one's night and day compared to how that one was when it came out of the box. They described this as having a thin C, but it's more like a full C. I mean, it feels like a good old-fashioned Lester Paul. I'm not going to do different tones, you know, clean, high gain, mid gain. I'm just going to play some rock, and stays in tune, feels good. I'm probably going to change this pickup out just because I like a little more output. It's fairly high output, but I like my amp to be pushed more in the front. I'm not a big fan of a lot of pedals, so. I know a lot of people have had issues with 10S, and I reached out and said, is this in stock? Will it ship right away? They said it was in stock, it would ship in a few days, which it did. And watching the tracking as it was progressing, it went from being in Japan to at my front door in less than 24 hours. So I'm not quite sure how that worked, but it arrived in one piece in the styrofoam coffin. The bottom was broken out a little bit, but it's here, and I love the feel of it. It's got that worn-in feel. Rover tuners. The picture showed cream trim rings and poker chip, but this has black on it, obviously. But you know, do I really care? Heck no. If you're one of those people that are going to nitpick over stuff like that, then you know, you might want to just go buy something someplace else. But I'm very happy with this one. I paid for it. Nobody gave it to me. And I'm going to be using this on stage quite a bit. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Go buy my music. Please buy it. Don't stream it, because streaming really sucks. Pays about this much money. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.